Hey guys, Omar here with there's a unit. It was right here. There it goes. ABC Austin Service Express. Lower that down. Got a crane. Got the other unit down there. Right over there. Down. Hey guys, Omar with ABC Austin Service Express. We're installing a 7.5 ton package unit at a commercial place. We just took the old one down. We're getting ready to bring up the other one. This is where they normally sit. Right here, they're called package units. Just like this one right here. Get another one done. Another happy customer. Call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustin.com. Okay, thanks. See you guys in the next video. Bye.